Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Samsung S23 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is check the cable and a charger for any damage or compatibility. So, as you guys can see here, I've got not an original charger, so that might be an issue. You guys definitely want to be using the original charger, the original charging brick and everything. Now you need to check the cable and the charger for any damage or compatibility, and what that means is for compatibility between the device. So if the device is just not responding to the fast charging made by a charger, then that's definitely faulty and you should try another charger. And now for any damage, you guys can also check the charging port for it. And then what you guys can do next is clean the charging port using a non-metallic tool. So if you use something metallic, then you will definitely damage the port right here. As you guys can see, it is clean, so there's no worries about this. But still, if you guys want to make sure, then I recommend you cleaning it. It's very important to keep it clean, and do not use a metallic tool because you will damage it. Next, go over into the settings and see if you have the fast charging enabled. So you just scroll down to battery, then in the battery you scroll down and go to charging settings. Now here, make sure that you have enabled fast charging or fast wireless charging. Of course, I recommend enabling both of them. And you can see the show charging information, so this will show the battery level and everything. And this is also very good because it will show you the information if your phone is charging fast or not. Now what you guys can do next is simply test another fast charger, or just change the outlet and see if that changes the outcome. If not, then as a last resort, you guys can go over into the settings. Now scroll all the way down to software update, and here update your software to fix any charging glitches. Click download and install, and it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software because old versions tend to have a lot of glitches in them, and you definitely do not want it. So, that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.